Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got Anne's Crayons with me, my mom. Hey girl.
Hey.
Don't act all innocent. All of a sudden, you're all innocent. I don't know if you see this, but your dog clearly loves me.
I know.
Do you see that?
She wouldn't be sitting in my lap.
What are you looking at me like that for? So in today's video, I'm gonna be following my mom's makeup routine. So her full routine, everything that she does, I'm gonna do my face with. And today's video is sponsored by Clinique. I've partnered with them to talk about their new moisturizer. This is the Clinique Smart Clinical MD Multi-Dimensional Age Transformer Duo, which I think you're gonna be here for.
I am excited.
She is excited.
I'm so dry.
So there's two different formulas in here. One is to resculpt and one is to revolumize. So you can actually apply the different formulas to different parts of your face depending on the skin concerns. So for firmer, lifted, and contoured skin, you're gonna wanna apply the resculpt formula, which is gonna be like around the jowls, this area, the chin, the jawline. And then for more plump, retexturized skin, we're gonna use revolumize, the purple side. So you're gonna wanna apply that to your forehead, around the eyes, right here, maybe in the smile lines a little bit. So we'll use both different formulas. How does that sound?
Sounds fantastic.
Sounds
I can't wait. I feel like I'm so thirsty.
Yeah,
My
you are.
face is so thirsty for like moisturizer, seriously, because I took everything off.
Does it
and
hurt?
I can just feel it. Yeah, it
Your
hurts.
face hurts right now.
Yeah.
Now for the areas we want to plump up the skin, I'm gonna use revolumize. So,
Oh, that feels so good.
she's happy.
Nice and cool.
And then we'll put some on the forehead.
Ooh, it smells good too.
And now we're gonna resculpt. So now we're gonna put this on areas that we want to lift and contour a little bit more. So we're gonna go around the jawline on this one. This one has a very silky texture to it. You feel the difference? And also on the neck. Do you always remember to put? You always put moisturizer.
I do.
Always.
Always. But you really need to start doing this when you're young. Even though you don't have all this saggy junk, I think it's super helpful.
When did you start with skincare, Corinne?
Oh my gosh, way old. It just wasn't a big thing when I was a kid. It does feel really good though.
Yeah.
It really does. Oh my gosh, it feels like I was in the desert and I needed water.
Your skin's just drinking it up right now,
Oh
huh?
my gosh, yeah.
Ooh, it feels really good under the
super
eyes.
good.
Were you big into SPF when you were
I
younger?
love this. What?
You love it?
Yes. Was I big into SPF? They didn't have any.
What? How old are you?
She was born before the sun.
I'm really
She was
old.
born before the sun.
I have to say,
You look plump.
I'm a little bit impressed.
You look plump, girl.
It just feels good.
So the Clinique Smart Clinical MD Multi-Dimensional Age Transformer Duo is available for $69. And to get more information on this moisturizer, the Duo moisturizer, you guys can check it out at your local Clinique booth. Thank you, Clinique, for sponsoring this part of the video. We really enjoyed a little moisturizer moment together, right?
It feels so good.
She's so
I'm
happy.
Whatever I had left on my hands, I
Like rubbing it in. It is very juicy.
It is. It really is. I am hard to please.
She is very
is
hard to.
great.
This is true. All right, and now on to the rest of the routine. Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I am. I'm ready to put something on my face right now.
This is gonna be so just the opposite of everything you do.
Really?
I know.
Your small little brain won't even be able to handle this, Katie.
All right, so I use the Bye Bye foundation a little bit, mostly in the summer because of the SPF factor that it has. I take a tiny bit.
I'm already signing out. Do I have a brush for this?
No, you have to do it how she's doing
See?
it.
Oh wait, seriously, I have to do that?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. you
Okay,
do.
so
I feel like we're the same color.
do this.
Okay,
I do a little bit of that.
please.
Oh, you're gonna use that?
Yeah.
And I mix it with. Oh wow. Okay, that's a lot.
Okay.
Corinne, did you ever teach Katie how to do her makeup growing up?
I'm not really
What?
sure how all that happened. To be honest, you didn't really wear very much makeup.
Because you wouldn't let me. So the rules were no makeup until I turned 16, which felt like an eternity.
Of course.
An eternity, and it was clear mascara. Never forget that moment. Okay, what am I doing now? You just did the same thing with,
Just yeah, tiny bits.
I think I'm this color.
Because it's just not the right color. So I probably have too much on here already.
So we're massaging.
So I do it with my fingers.
Yeah, she has to.
And then I use a sponge after to like,
You know, I'm all for a foundation cocktail.
okay, so once I kind of smear it around.
Are you doing it all the way on the under eye?
I do.
I feel like there are memes for how I look right now.
Oompa Loompa?
I just look a little crazy, but you know, I see people put makeup on, foundation on with their fingers, and like I know it, people do it.
So then what I do, after I kind of smear it all around, and I kind of have fingerprint lines in some of it, right?
Yeah.
And so then I just kind of take my sponge.
We've taken it down on the neck?
Do you not do that?
No, I do. I take it down to my waist. Oh, that color turned out pretty good on you.
And when you first put it on,
That
it was kind of scary,
I
huh?
was a little concerned at first. So we skipped primer. We don't have time for that. We're busy. You know, we're moms.
I actually put it on after.
What?
I put it on after.
You think I stress you out? You stress me out.
So I have this, and so sometimes I will like take it to this like patch of redness I have right here from like wearing glasses, and I try to do a little bit right here to minimize this.
Wait, what did you do? I didn't watch it.
I didn't do anything.
You just buffed it out?
Yeah.
Did I get my like under eye obsession from you?
I don't know.
Wait, do you remember back
I don't
in the
think
day?
you got any of it from me.
This is what we call accountability right there.
She is your child.
I don't think you did. I guess I wore makeup.
You used to
and
do-
maybe a lot of moms
wait.
didn't. I don't know, but
You used to do a serious smoky eye back in the day. I don't know why. I will pull up receipts. You used to tease your hair too. I will never forget that. That was. I wish I had pictures of that because that was a moment. She would curl it all. It was like kind of shorter than it was now.
I
Right?
still do that, and I
And
can
then
send
she
you
would spray the heck out of it with big sexy hair and backcombing it, and she'd come out of her room like this. Those were the best because you would come out of your room like yelling at us about something. Her hair was like this.
And you guys did not take me very seriously.
655 rolling out the door. Whoa, calm down. Woo.
Okay, so now I have very kind of oily sort of eyelids. If I don't use this blotting powder and I put eyeshadow on, it will just
Slide right off.
come right off.
She's got the Fenty blotting powder.
I love it, as you can see.
She's hit pan on the Fenty blotting
I
powder.
have, and so we just do a little here.
Okay, so my eyelids are kind of like a
little-
crustacean,
a little
so...
under.
Oh, she puts it under her eyes.
I do a little even on my eyebrows just to.
Are you oily?
No, I'm not. I'm very dry, but you know how it is when you put on your eyebrows. They kind of it
Slide
just
around?
slides right off.
That's why I usually do my brows first, but this is
Oh,
your routine.
I don't do that first either.
It helps to do it first.
Yeah. So now I would generally do a contour, but I'll show you because I don't do very much.
Oh, so we do a little jawline contour, huh?
A little, just a tiny bit at the hairline, a little bit on the temples.
Grant, has there ever been a trend in makeup that you followed and regret?
Ooh, has there ever been a
Ooh.
trend in makeup that you followed and regret?
I've never really done like blue eyeshadow or any kind of colored eyeshadow. I never really have done that. I don't
Me neither.
really know why. I guess maybe the only thing would be like maybe a green. I guess the only thing really would be like I would put mascara on and then curl my eyelashes. Because,
wait.
because they would stay better.
You did love a Spidey lash.
Yeah, I did.
She did love a Spidey lash. That's what it was.
I did have the eyelashes thing, and I feel like that was probably not good. That I probably lost a few hundred eyelashes doing it that way.
You were like mascara heavy, huh? Like,
I was, I think, yes, but I had very long lashes,
Yeah.
and so I just took advantage of that whole situation.
all right, what do we have next, ma'am?
Next, I would probably do my brows.
Yes. I've been waiting for this
So,
moment.
Loving this brow blade.
She loves the
Loving
brow
it,
blade.
loving it, loving it.
I think you got my brow blade, and that's why I don't have one.
So, I bought these, girlfriend.
Oh!
So I use the pencil side first, kind of fill in the spots.
She's coming in from the north right now. You see that? She's like... I do get asked that a lot. Like, so wait, so you still fill in your brows after you got microbladed?
I think you have to, but if I had to run somewhere, I would not.
You do them like I do my brows so much quicker now. Like
Yeah,
it's
very
silly
quick.
how much quicker I do them.
Let's kind of put some eyeshadow on to minimize the droopiness of the eyelid. Done.
You say droopy now, but you've always had hooded lids.
I've always had hooded lids, but now they're just like ridiculous. So usually I just do something in the brown category. You know, and I just kind of,
All over the lid?
yeah. But you know, there's a definite, for me, there's a definite red area that is, I don't know if my eyes are just stained. So then
Is this good? Is this enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just find a darker one.
Mocha. Same.
Kind of go in over this a little bit, down here.
So you're going all over the crease and below?
Yep. Well, I don't really have a crease. It's called a flap.
If you're about to tell me we're not putting mascara on, I'm gonna quit.
I'll put mascara on.
Okay, what do we have next?
I use this brightening kind of powder. It's called Well Rested.
I remember. Very familiar with the powder.
Yeah.
Very familiar.
So I kind of just do a little.
All right, on the, okay, good. I thought it was gonna be on the full under eye. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm not ready for this.
No.
Here? Mm-hmm. Okay, I see what you did there. A little snatch back.
A little.
A little. So we got no shadow on the lower lash line, right?
I don't usually.
Okay.
My eyes are so tiny that I feel like if I did some on the bottom, they would totally disappear. So then I would just put some mascara on.
Do we get to curl our lashes?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I do it after I put it on.
Cran! I don't want to do that and rip out all my lashes.
Okay.
What is the problem?
It's just, I can't see. It's too far away.
You want me to hold it like right here?
Shut up.
Here.
Shut up. Look at you with the mom makeup.
Do I have mom makeup on? I do,
Well, you
huh?
don't look that bad.
That bad? That bad?
It's mom makeup.
You know what it is? I would not put mascara on my lower lashes.
Really? Why?
Because they're so long, I feel like it makes my eyes look droopy.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. That's why I always like to do like big lashes.
Oh, I never even thought about it that way.
Because I kind of have like little froggy eyes. What else do we have?
Lippies. We'll do a little this one. No shade.
We're doing no shade with no lip liner.
I know.
Is that-
I don't usually do that.
So I got my crinkle cut lips from you, huh?
I used a little over the top.
Oh.
Over
Little no
the
shade, a little
top.
over the top. We actually do look very similar. Right?
Yeah.
It's like,
Do we?
yeah, I didn't realize it until I looked in the camera and I was like, wow, we look identical. It's kind of creeping me out a little bit in the best way.
Okay.
In the best.
Yeah. I got it, girl.
You can get close.
Ow.
Oh.
I actually really like the foundation concoction that you have going on. I'm all about a foundation cocktail.
Yeah.
And I think you have a good one.
Yeah.
It's good. A little
Yeah.
Too Faced gives you a little coverage.
Yep.
The It Cosmetics, what is the Bye. You've been using this for like ever, haven't you?
Yeah, but I don't use very much of it. So, and more in the summer. So, like,
Okay.
it's probably on its way out. I probably won't use it much.
Oh, I'm sorry. What are you going to switch to now?
I'll just make another
We'll
cocktail.
see. Maybe in the next
Could
video
be the
she'll let us
stick-
know.
Could be the stick cocktail.
She'll unveil what she's using for the winter time.
Cliffhanger, yes.
Well, that is it for following Cran's makeup routine, not tutorial.
No, not a tutorial at all.
Period.
It is a very quick routine of mine.
Can you do it?
It's a
Period.
very quick routine. Period.
All right, you guys. I had a lot of fun today hanging out with Cran. Thanks for filming with me today.
Sure.
Woo! Until next time, we will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching.